In today's short tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can upload multiple pictures in a single post on Instagram. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. First of all, open Instagram, click on this upload option, and then click on this select multiple option. Now select all the posts that you want to share. And once you have selected multiple pictures, click on this next option. Again, click on next. Now write down your caption. And once you're done writing the caption, all you have to do is to click on this upload option, and your multiple pictures will be posted as a single post on Instagram. Okay guys, that's it for this video, and if you guys have any question regarding this video, then feel free to contact me on Instagram. I'll give the link somewhere in description below. Also, if you guys like the video, then please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. I'll keep a like aim of 50 likes on this video, so help me achieve that target too, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.